Hey there! Are your taskbar icons playing a game of hide and seek on your Windows 11 PC? No worries at all. In this video, I'm here to guide you through fixing this issue. So let's jump right into it without any further delay. Solution 1. Restart Windows Explorer. To get started, right-click on the taskbar and choose Task Manager from the menu. Now, in the search box up here, type in Windows Explorer. Then simply right-click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart from the option. Once it's restarted, see if that resolves the issue. Solution 2. Repair Windows System Files. First up, click on Search icon down here and type in CMD. Then simply right-click on Command Prompt from the search results. Choose Run as Administrator and click Yes to grant permission. Now in this command prompt window, type in sfc/scan now and hit enter. After that, type in dism/online/cleanupimage/check health and press enter. Next, type dism/online/cleanupimage/scan health and press enter. Then type in dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press enter. Don't fret, you can find these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if that did the trick. Solution 3. Add icons to the taskbar. For this step, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Now, just toggle on the icon that you want to see in your taskbar. And there you have it. It should pop up on the taskbar. So there you go, folks. That's how you troubleshoot missing taskbar icons on your Windows 11 devices. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.